He goes. Oh, it's making my stomach go.
Top quality journalism. Which one do you prefer?
As a luxury car.
Hello world, and welcome back to Accelerate and part 2 of our £15,000 luxury car challenge. Stay tuned for the final verdict. So, for the next part of the challenge, we are going to get an impartial view on each car. So we're going to take Liam for a drive in the S Class and then in the Jag, just to get an overall feel and an overall opinion on what he thinks.
Are you coming in the back with me?
Mix it up a bit, eh? First impressions.
Interior is really nice, very elegant. I like the wooden trims and the tanned interior.
What do you think of the colour of the leather? I've heard mixed reviews on it.
I had a conversation with Kenny earlier, and as you get older, you really do start to appreciate. No, you do.
I know, because I agree.
Tanned and creamed interiors.
Yeah. It's actually a surprising one because you're not a small guy. No. I've got plenty of leg room. I'm sat as I normally would be. I've got a bit of room on my knees. Yeah, I'm not big. Don't get me wrong.
No, but you're still tall.
Yeah, I'm a lanky so. Yes. We've even got some vents. And a cigarette lighter without the cigarette lighter.
They're like, that's optional extra. Oh, it goes. Woohoo! Jesus!
That's what we were saying. This is definitely, even I'll admit, this is
more sport orientated.
It's a lot more powerful than I thought.
But I was impressed with it.
It is lovely.
Just use your review camera. Oh, wait a sec.
You're a funny guy.
Well, there's definitely more leg room in here.
Yeah, for sure.
So you can see where the length has gone. I'm trying to keep it professional. But it is a big car.
What do you say? You're going to have to speak up. We're quite far back here. Yeah, chuck me one.
Roger, can you hear me in the back there?
Port side.
I've actually have a dance in here.
Top quality journalism.
Definitely comfy though.
Yes.
Right, headrests. Where are they? Back here.
The only way to describe this, it actually feels like I'm on a flight.
Doesn't it actually feel like you're
feels
above
like
the road, like
yeah.
you're hovering above the road?
I could definitely sit in here and travel across.
Yeah. Yep.
A lot less road noise.
I think a bit like that. Yeah. But I don't know.
Ooh.
That pulls back like I was expecting.
Yeah.
Definitely pulls back like I was thinking of it.
Do you put the anchors on?
Such a
Throwing out the window.
I was just about to say, for such a heavy car. Yeah, it is surprising. So we all agree it's comfortable.
Yes.
What I'll do is put it into sport.
Not comfy mode.
Yes. We'll just see if it... Because as I said, it doesn't give you the confidence to throw it into a corner, but if sport mode is on, so...
Easy. A bit of a... Why is it telling you to do 30?
See how it's still... Well, it's...
I tell you what, considering how big
further
it
than
is,
it
it
was.
actually sticks really well.
Yeah.
Oh, it's making my stomach go. Oh,
Yeah, come on.
there's a Rosalind.
Yeah, we'll chase him. Even I was quite impressed with that. That's the first time I've done sport mode.
Feel the body roll, obviously.
Yeah, I don't think no matter what you do with that, you can't hide the size.
Yeah. What's this?
That's for storing food.
Oh, right, okay. My food.
Someone's hungry.
All right.
How much leg
Oh
room
my
is here?
god!
Welcome to my humble abode.
Wow. Oh, what?
3. Not just 2.
Yeah, keep all these in mind, Liam. Look at the climate as well. God, this would be amazing on a road trip. Oh, have you seen these as well?
Yes. Oh, and there's mirrors on them. I didn't know them all the way down.
Turning circle's actually pretty good.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, for such a big car. I like the steering wheel as well. It's, with that wood stuff, I don't know what you said it's called.
It is.
It does feel really, really nice.
It is an optional extra, but it is. I think it's just one of those you just want to touch it.
Yeah.
Whoa, sexo!
I just can't believe how quiet it is.
Yeah.
I can hear myself breathing.
Well, no, we can't. The engine's on. So this does drive really, really nice.
See, it's what you'd expect from an S Class,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's never going to blow your mind. But
No, it does. Like the steering does feel a bit heavier.
Yes.
The car does feel heavier.
Yes, you can definitely feel that you're driving a 2-ton car.
Yeah.
I can happily do a long journey.
Yeah, I kind of want. And Kenny, to Germany.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's got plenty of pickup.
It's got more than enough.
Personally, to drive, I prefer driving the Jag.
Yeah.
But as a passenger, definitely being
Yeah.
here.
I totally agree with that.
Yeah. Phone the dogger, tell him we're coming in. What's this, War of the Worlds?
Seeing as though this is a luxury challenge, I've actually got my decibel meter and we're going to measure the volume of each car at 60 mile an hour. So, let's go up to 60.
Yeah, I'd say we're averaging about 66 decibels.
Okay.
Which is pretty cool.
So we don't know if that's good or bad yet, so...
No, we're not sure.
So you've joined us back in the Jag, to do the decibel test. Gonna get to 60 mile an hour and see what the volume is.
So, decibel readings. The Mercedes was 66 decibels. The Jag was at 69. Not too bad, not too much of a difference, to be honest.
We kind of expected it, but
Yeah.
I'm again quite impressed with how close the Jag got, considering the Merc has got more insulation. I think it has got thicker windows than your average car.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, pretty close. Man, enough room.
So what are your final verdicts on the cars?
Right, for long distance, if I was to tour Europe, I would definitely pick the Merc.
Yes.
However, for everyday driving, I do prefer the Jag.
Yeah?
Yeah, I prefer the performance side of it. It's a lot more
Yeah.
driver focused. Obviously, it's not as luxurious as this.
Yeah.
However, my features on the Jag are better than this. It is more equipped. I believe whoever bought this car new.
Yes.
Didn't-
Like we were saying, we don't know if it is a case of this one wasn't as spec'd. But some of the
think
features
so.
that yours got, I was very surprised.
Yeah, well, let's see. The heated and cooled seats. Rear camera.
Yeah. Which is surprising that this hasn't got it. In
Yeah,
fairness,
yeah, I was really surprised.
for an S Class.
Yeah, for sure.
But would you also agree that the Jag is a car that you drive? That's to get the most out of it, you drive.
Yeah,
I think to
yeah.
get the most out of an S Class, you need to be driven in it.
Yeah.
Because being a
definitely.
passenger in it, wow,
Yeah.
it's like no other car I've ever been in.
Yeah, it is. It's huge. The inside is, well,
Yeah.
like now we're sat in the back of it.
Yeah,
Loads of
just
room.
very comfortable.
Yeah. This is it. So
Um,
what would you say? What do you think?
So we've got to pick a winner. I think for the luxury car challenge, I'm going to stick to my horses and say I picked a good one. This is a good luxury car.
Okay.
What do you think was?
No, I disagree. Because a luxury car should have everything on it. So, yes, if this was fully equipped,
Okay.
I would agree with you. However,
okay.
this is not spec'd as it should be.
Yes.
So, I'm going to say the Jag.
Okay. So the S Class has 1 point or 1 vote. The Jag
Yeah.
has 1 vote.
Yep.
How are we going to sort this? We're going to get an impartial opinion. So we're going to get Liam's opinion, and he's going to be the deciding vote.
Well, we might as well ask a potato because his intelligence level isn't the best, mate. But yeah, okay, let's do it.
Potato votes count
Yeah.
though. We're going to speak to Liam.
Yeah, let's go. Let him do his trousers up first.
Oh yeah.
Freezing.
So we've just come back from a drive in both cars. Liam, you've now experienced both cars.
Yes, I have.
As a passenger.
As a passenger, yes. So we need your vote on, which is the winner of the luxury car challenge.
That's a tough one. I think as a passenger, I'd like to be driven around in the Mercedes. My reasons being, it's quieter, it's comfier, and it's more spacious.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, I love the styling of the Jag, and if I were to buy a Jag, it would be respectful to that one.
Yes. We've agreed that, like I said, to get the most out of the Jag, you drive it, you own it. To be driven around in the S Class is the best way
Yes.
to do it. Which one do you prefer?
As a luxury car, I pick the Mercedes.
Yes!
But would you agree with me that... No, listen. I'm trying to get my point across here.
Yeah, go on.
Would you agree with me though that it is not spec'd the way that it should be?
No, you buy an S Class, you buy a Mercedes, you expect to have absolutely everything.
you think.
I agree with that.
Yeah.
Like I said, yeah, okay. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful, beautiful car, but it should even have the simplest thing as a rear reverse camera.
Yeah.
To not have that on a Mercedes S Class,
Yeah.
what were they thinking?
Yeah.
You know, but
I agree with that. But
Yep.
thank you very much. Thanks
Yeah,
for taking
cheers
the
for that,
time.
dude. Thank you.
For giving us your impartial opinion. Thank you guys very much for watching. We have got more videos like this planned, so stay tuned. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
see you then.
Bye.